Vixens, it's your LA fashion correspondent, Mia Campbell. I'm hanging out in New York and I'm in the midst of Fashion Week, one of the most anticipated times of the year in the world of fashion. For this episode of Vibe Vixen Style Profile, I have tidbits on why it's the perfect time to be an emerging fashion designer. So grab a notepad and listen up. Fashion Week opportunity. Popular designers and fashion brands are moving away from the Lincoln Center and into other venues around New York. So there's a lot more room to showcase your line in a pre-prepared space during a week specifically dedicated to present fashion. All you need is to have a complete collection and funds to pay for placement. The Mercedes-Benz team will handle getting your invites out to their database of media, buyers, stylists, and industry influencers. They also host your presentation space. Your affiliation with Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week will then open up so many more doors. As for LA, the Fashion Week scene isn't as big as it is in New York and Europe, but it's getting there. Either way, get your foot in the door now while LA Fashion Week is building its name, and you can gain clout and a ton of experience in no time. Fashion Week puts your line in front of all types of people, such as buyers, stylists, industry influencers, and more. Magic and other trade shows. This is your opportunity to put your line in front of buyers for placement in stores and online boutiques. Trade shows are dedicated speed dating style opportunities to sell your brand and pieces to numerous potential clients in a span of only a few days. All you need is a full collection, branding material to be able to handle the potential demand for your product, funds to pay for a booth at the trade show, and associated expenses to attend. Take the time to present your line at a trade show, and with the right presentation, you'll get the results you've been waiting for. Social media. Not only could your line depend on buyers grabbing your pieces for their stores, but it also most certainly depends on your consumers. Be your own buyer and keep your brand and pieces in front of consumers worldwide via the internet and social media. With live updates via photos and conversation, your brand is always on. Not to mention the possibilities you can reach by contacting celebrities through social media and offering free pieces, for example, for a little publicity. I constantly see stylists and celebrities request via Twitter, for example, for emerging designers to submit designs for their ready-to-wear and exclusive demand. You never know who will see your pieces. The internet is limitless. Last but not least, there's the demand for exclusive yet accessible fashion. Fashion's current demand amongst consumers is exclusivity. Everyone wants something made exclusively for them or are amongst the first to wear unique pieces. This is your time to shine. Create something trend-setting, especially speaking to details that you can let go for a small fee until you get to a point in sales where you can ask for more. Now that you have this extensive list of ways to handle yourself as an emerging designer in the fashion market, get your best collection together and soar. Feel free to send Vibe Vixen and me a photo sample of a unique design. We'd love to see. Until next time, stay locked to VibeVixen.com for more on fashion and style.